How to change language on Monopoly Go. The Monopoly Go app is in English. However, the good news is that you can change the language. Here's how. Open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Click on the three lines in the upper right corner to access your profile. Then open Settings. In the Language section, you will see that the selected language is English. To change the language, click on the English button. Scroll down and find the language you want. The language options are not very extensive at the moment. When you find the desired language, click on the square next to it. I will select Spanish. A window like this will appear. Confirm once more that you want to change the language by clicking the Change button. The game will reopen, but this time in the selected language. I hope you find the tutorial useful. For more tips and tricks, follow the channel and check out other tutorials on the channel.